we wanted to, we're playing a H4 sell, right? Let's just delete this for a second. If we're playing a H4 sell, or sell idea, we know we want to sell, we know we've got the bearish narrative already in mind because of the overall daily and 4 hour structure, daily 4 hour order flow, we've got supply in control at this stage. If we wanted to, we could basically sell off of this, like this, as a H4 trade idea. But the way we do it is we're playing H4 trade ideas using the 15 minute and using the M1 to get more refined stops, to get more confirmed entries, and to basically play as a day trader intraday moves, as well as the higher time frame trades. And so you can take, basically this would be considered maybe a swing trade because it might take a while to play out. Obviously the risk reward isn't great, 70 pip stop, but to play the same exact trade as this, we just use, okay, let's go on to the 15 minute. And so seeing maybe now a 15-minute confirmation of this, I think I went over this in last week's Zoom, it was a 15-minute sell here. Basically from this flip zone, taking this now, it's the same exact trade, but now it's refined, confirmed, we've got a much smaller stop, much more confirmed entry. And then this is a 15-minute mine. So now we take it even one step further and we just confirm it on the 1 minute. So we're confirming the 4 hour with the 15 and then the 15 with the 1. So now we take something within here, either like this, or I think at the time I've not got it marked, but I had this as the mitigation of this area, structural liquidity sweep, break of last point of demand. I'd recommend watching last week's Zoom clip. I put it up, it's like a 10-minute video. Now the same exact trade as we mentioned here, but the risk reward is incredibly different. It's the same trade. So this is why I try and preach against using the 1 minute, get off the 1 minute time frame. This is a 4 hour trade idea, using the 15 minute and using the 1 minute to confirm it and to reduce the stop size. So when you see people trying to bounce everything on the 1 minute, it can make sense from a scalping or intraday basis, but if you're taking H4 or higher time frame ideas, you're just basically confirming it and you're playing the same trade as this, but just much more confirmed, and it just gives clarity to the overall picture. You don't get lost in the kind of lower time frame complexities of bouncing up and down, order flow shifts, liquidity sweeps, etc. If you keep it simple, use the H4 guide of the higher time frame, M15 guide of the intraday, and then the 1 minute purely for execution of a 15-minute trade idea, of a 4 hour trade idea, or between 4 hour trade ideas. So like I say, with 4 hour zones, using the 15 minute to guide us towards 4 hour zones. Once we're in it and we're beginning to see 15-minute trade away, we're now just confirming this 4 hour trade, so we could already be in it with a stop above here. But now we're just confirming it, perhaps with this here, and then confirming it with the 1 minute. So we're playing this trade using the 1 minute, rather than just playing everything on the 1 minute all over the place. Just so, like I say, if we've got H4 zones, I'm happy to play 15-minute order flow leading up into the zone and away from the zone. So if this is the H4 zone, I'm not only trading this, I'm also willing to trade the order flow leading up into it and order flow leading away from it. So basically M15 trade ideas using the 4 hour as the higher time frame narrative, and the M15 trade ideas always